Hello friends, my name is Josna Sarode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my topic is competency mapping for the subject competency based HRM. What is a competency mapping? Competency is your ability to do something successful or efficiently. Therefore, competency mapping is simply a process of matching your competence with the job role and or organization. Additionally, it is also about matching people to the job role and hence used even in selections, training and appraisal. Definition of a competency mapping. Competency mapping is the process of identifying the specific skills, knowledge, abilities, and behavior required to operate effectively in a specific job or organizations. Competency maps are often also referred to as competency profiles or skills profiles. Next point, steps in the competency mapping. These are the steps in competency mapping. First is a first point is a identifying the job position, job analysis, prepare the specifications and description, identify the KRA means key resulting area and KPA means key performance area need to be prepared. Identify the required competency, preparing competency dictionary, competency matrix, measuring the gap. Next is a methods of competency mapping. Assessment center. Assessment centers are not a locations or a place but a process that helps to determine the degree of fit or suitable of employees to a specific type of employment or a job role. Organization conduct different activities for the employee to identify the skills, what is their weakness and strength for knowing the skills and knowledge by group discussion. Aim of group based exercise is primarily to assess a participant's ability to work effectively as a part of a team. Inbox or outbox exercise employ to test a wide range of to last test a wide range of skills in situations that very closely resemble those that might be faced in a real workplace. As a recruiter, you would definitely like to see how you will cope with the real world situations and problems. Simulation tests are used to assess how you would react to situation you can encounter while working and how you would solve problems. In this test, you can also be assessed on your critical thinking ability. Your ability to reason critically is also an important trait for many functions. Role play. Role play exercises are often used in assessment centers to assess certain traits such as communication, the ability to influence, or negotiation skill. Case study exercise are very useful predictors of future performance on the job as they very closely resemble the work that one would usually completed on the job. Advantage of competency mapping improves communication between employee and management, improves quality of a product and service, outline employee development and promotional paths within the organization's succession plan, standardize performance across the organization, records the employees' acquisitions of the skills, knowledge, safety, and other procedure relating to each task through competency based interviews, target specific training needs. Disadvantage of a competency mapping: it can be out of date at a time because of its inevitable change of a pace in the organization. Sometimes it's of less use if the organizations don't respond properly. No room for an individual to work in a field that would best makes use of one's own competencies. Can be difficult for employees to transform. Few can be good at theory and few can be good at practices. If there is a change in the work of the competencies, the work can be less productive. Thank you.